Haha, Earthlings! Soon you'll be sitting on my shelf with all the other weakling planets. The Earth is mine! Mwahaha! Are the turbo movers all tuned up and ready, PJ Robot? Beep, beep. Super cat ears. Oh no, I just heard Romeo's evil laugh. Super owl eyes. I see him. He is on the moon. Oh no, he's pointing a ray gun at the Earth. Quick, PJ Masks. We have to stop him. It's time to be a hero. I can't see him anywhere. We must have landed too far away. Lucky for us, we brought along our turbo movers. This is much better than walking, I'd say. Come on, PJ Masks. There's no time to waste. Oh no! Help! Ah! Hang on, Owlette! Super Turbo Claw! Whew. Thanks, Catboy. That was close. You didn't happen to see Romeo while you were up there, did you? I did! He's just over that ridge. Let's go! Say goodbye, Earthy. Well, this is new. PJ Masks! How did you PJ pests find me? Super cat jump! Super turbo drill! Mwahaha! This is the last time you PJ Pains give me trouble. Get ready to be puny masks. Oh no! Uh-oh. Super Gekko muscles! Thanks, Gekko. Where's Romeo? Calm down, Romeo. We are going to return you to normal. Here we go, Romeo.
Give me that ray gun. You PJ Mask can't do anything right. I'll get you next time, PJ Pests.
That's a strange cloud. Well, we know that strange things can happen on Halloween. Super owl eyes. That's no Halloween mystery, PJ Masks. Hey, where did you get all those pumpkins, Luna Girl? Guys, I think you need to see this. Oh no! I think Luna Girl has stolen the pumpkins from all over town. Including ours. Oh no! Thanks for the pumpkins, PJ Masks. I'll be sure to put them to good use. Mwahaha! Come on, PJ Masks. We have to stop her. To the owl glider. I can follow her in the sky. Catboy, Gekko, you follow from down below. Come on, Gekko. It's time to be a hero. You think you and your pesky pals can stop me, Bird Brain? Think again. Catboy, Gekko, look out! Uh-oh. Mwahaha! Happy Halloween night, Ninja. What do you think, Robot? I think it's ready to... Romeo, trick or treat. How about both? Ha ha ha! I'll get you for this, Luna girl. Ha! No one can stop me. I will ruin Halloween, and there's nothing any of you can do about it. Hey, who did that? Let's see how you like it, Luna girl. Hey, Romeo, come on. I mean, let's just talk about this. Hey, that was close. You almost hit me. Okay, just tell me what you want. Gotcha. We know how you can make things right, Luna girl, but you're not going to like it. Gekko, Owlette, the pies are here. Looks like tonight is going to be sweet after all. I hope you have learned your lesson, Luna girl. Oh well, at least tonight isn't a complete waste. I've still got a pie for myself. Ow! Hey, that's mine! Shh! Super cat ears! Give it to me, and you. It's not mine to give. It sounds like Aunt Yu is in trouble. Night Ninja's up to no good again. We have to help her. Quick, to Mystery Mountain. Think again, Night Ninja. The Ring of Ninjability can only be possessed by those who show themselves worthy. Worthy? Worthy? Ha! I am the greatest ninja that has ever lived. Prove it. The Ring of Ninjability is not mine to give away. But how about a little ninja competition? Ha! Easy peasy. I won't let you beat me, and you. Now, Ninjalinos, now! Hey! You dishonor yourself by cheating, Night Ninja? Haha! But I'm gonna win, aren't I? Who's the greatest ninja now? Uh-huh! Oh yeah! Uh-huh! We can't let Night Ninja get that ring! Oh yeah! Uh-huh! Oh no! It looks like it's too late! Oh no, you don't, Night Ninja! No! You PJ pests ruined everything! Come on, Owlette, give me back that ring! Super Gekko muscles! Ah! Ow! Grrr. There, that should keep you out of trouble, at least for a minute or two. Ha! Silly little vines. Huh? These will never hold me. Ugh. I believe this belongs to you. No, the Ring of Ninjability belongs to the mountain. You PJ Masks have proven yourself powerful heroes and loyal friends of Mystery Mountain. Thank you. Oh, come on! Enough of the bowing already. Let us go. I have other plans for you, Night Ninja. Hey, what's this? What's happening? Wah! Ouch! Friends of Mystery Mountain. That has a nice ring to it. Don't you think, Night Ninja? Grrr! It's too soon for ring jokes, Gekko. PJ Masks shout hooray! 'cause in the night we save the day. Take that! And that! And that! This is harder than it looks. Whoa, what was that? The whole HQ was shaking. Quick, let's get out of here. Where did all these moon rocks come from? Super Gekko muscles. Let's get them back to where they belong. Wait, Gekko. Super Owl Eyes. It's Luna Girl. She's on the moon doing target practice with her Luna magnet. Quick, PJ Masks. We have to stop her. To the HQ. It's time to be a hero. Yes! Bullseye! Oh, great. It's the PJ Pests. What are you doing here? You're flinging moon rocks everywhere, Luna Girl, and they're crashing down onto Earth. Ha ha ha! If those little rocks were causing trouble, imagine what one giant rock could do. Don't do it, Luna Girl. Maybe I will aim it at the little museum you like so much. Mwahaha! Super Turbo Feathers! Hey, no fair, that's mine! Quick, Catboy, Gekko, stop that rock! Super Turbo Claw! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Gotcha, Catboy! Super Turbo Grip! The Luna Magnet! Oh no, you don't, Bird Brain! How? It's too heavy! We have to break it into smaller pieces. Super Catch It Up! Got it! Wriggling reptiles! That was a little too close for comfort. You really need to be more careful, Luna Girl. Oh, please, you PJs worry too much. Those moon rocks were totally harmless. Luna Girl, look out! That doesn't prove anything. PJ Masks all shout hooray, 'cause in the night we save the day. Super Cat Ears! I can hear Night Ninja and his Ninjalinos using their ninja fingers into the night to save the day. Oh no, look! Night Ninja and his Ninjalinos are stealing all the obstacles. Stay calm, PJs. Let's follow this one. I have a feeling it will lead us right to that troublemaker. With my own ninja park to practice on, now nothing can stop me from becoming the greatest ninja in the whole wide world. Well, if it isn't the PJ Pests, here to ruin all the fun. That playground belongs in the city. Night Ninja, put it back. I have a better idea. How about we race for it? The ninja that can do the obstacles fastest gets to keep the playground. You're on! That's cheating, Night Ninja! I'm stuck! Looks like it's just you and me, Catboy. Oh yeah! Thanks, Catboy. You know, stealing a children's playground is not nice, Night Ninja, even for you. Grrr! Super Gekko muscles! I like that one. Oh, come on! That one too? I'm going to have nothing left. Not that one! PJ Masks, I'll shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day!